Multiples and factors. Let's see the vocabulary. Factor. Factor, it is a whole number that divides exactly into another number. Let's take an example over here. Let's take the number 6. Let's find the factor of the number 6. We say that 1 6 is 6 or 2 3 is 6. These are the only possible multiples for 6. So, this 1, 6, 2 and 3 are all called as the factors of 6. Multiple. A multiple is a number that can be divided exactly into another number. So, it is the multiple of that number. Here is an example. Start at 0, count up in steps of same size and you will find numbers that are multiples of the step size. Suppose you start at 0 and start counting in plus 3, that is jumping in threes. You find the multiples which are of same size. These are called as the multiples. Over here they have taken an example of 3, multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. These are all called as the multiples of 3. Similarly, when you take jumping in 4s, we get 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. This is nothing but the tables what you have learnt. Over here you are jumping in 4s each time. These are all called as the multiples of 4. Question 1. Which of these numbers are multiples of 8? So, recall all the numbers which are in the tables of 8. So, we get 8 3s are 24, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. These are the multiples of 8. Question 2. Which of these numbers are factors of 30? Let's recall all the factors of 30. I say 130 is 30, 2 15s is 30, 3 10s is 30, 5 6s is 30. So let's check the factors of 30. So we see that it is 5, 6, 10 are the factors of 30. Question 3. Use each of the digits 5, 6, 7, 8 once to make a total that is a multiple of 5. When you find the total, the multiple of 5 means it should end with 5 or 0. So, ensure that the last number adds up to 5 or 0. Let's check over here. 5 and 6 gives us 11. 6 and 7 gives us 13. 7 and 8 gives us 15. So, I write 7 and 8 in units place so that it ends with the digit 5. Next, I can choose any of the number over here, remaining numbers, to add up to a number which is a multiple of 5. Here, this number is 57 plus 68, or we can even write 67 plus 58. Let's learn to find the factors of 24. First, let's recall all the multiples of 24. We say that 24 we get from 1 24 is 24. We start from the digit 1. Then move on to the higher numbers. Then 2 12 is 24. 3 8 is 24. 4 6 is 24. We need to stop here as we don't have any multiples of 24 further, because we do not get any multiples of 24 in tables of 5. So we say that these numbers 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6 are all the factors of 24. Let's list it from small to big. Here, these are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. So we get a total of 8 factors of 24. Work out for the factors of 32 and 25. Question 5. My age this year is a multiple of 8. My age next year is a multiple of 7. How old am I? For this, first let us list down the multiples of 8 and 7. So here are the multiples of 8 and 7. So this year the age is a multiple of 8 and the next year it is a multiple of 7. So check with a difference of 1 over here. So when I check over here 22, 28, 32, 35, 40, 42, 49, 48, 49. So if the age is 48 now this year, then the age next year would become 49. I cannot choose 56 because the age increase every year and over here it cannot decrease. So I prefer that how old am I would be 48 this year. Draw a sorting diagram like this one shown. Write one number in each section of the diagram. Multiples of 25 less than 1000. So we can write any multiples of 25 which are less than 1000. It could be 50 or any number of your choice. Multiples of 25 not less than 1000. So it could be 1025 or 1050 etc. Not a multiple of 25 less than 1000. It should not be a multiple of 25 but should be less than 1000. It could be any even number. So I write it down as 24 or 242 etc. Not a multiple of 25 and not less than 1000. It should be more than 1000 and it can be any even number. So this would be one of the possible answer. You can list down any of your choice. Draw a Venn diagram below and write the numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 in correct place on the Venn diagram. In this circle you need to just write the multiples of 2 and in this smaller circle you need to write the multiples of 6 and you need to write the other numbers outside the circle. Check with your answers. Question 8. Use each digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 once to make a 3 two-digit numbers. For this, I have listed the 3 tables. So, which would be the possible way we can find 3 two-digit numbers which are the multiples of 3? Let us check with 2 digits only. So, I need not require the single digits over here. So because 1 is not there, we can cross out the ones. Since we doesn't have a digit 0, I can cross out the 30 and we cannot use the same digit twice. I cross out the 33 also. So there is no 8. So I cross out 48 and 39. So what would be the possible numbers? The possible numbers would be 24, 27, 36, 42, 45. When I choose only one digit at a time and complete the sequence, one of the method would be 27, 36 and 45. You can write your own numbers also. Question 9. Here are 4 labels: even, multiples of 3, not even, not multiples of 3. Let's look at the Carroll diagram and add the labels to it. Over here it says 6 and 24. What would come in these two positions? We see that 6, 24, 16, 22 are all even numbers. So I need to place even over here. And what about this? These are not even numbers. So even and not even need to be placed over here. What about 6 and 24? Is it a multiple of 3? 15 and 27? Yes, they are also multiples of 3. So I need to place multiples of 3 over here and not a multiples of 3 over here because 16, 22, 17 and 7 are not the multiples of 3. Work out all the sums in your learner's book.